Welcome back at the cabin. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. It's pitch black. And today I'm going on my first hare hunt. And after the last time that I checked my shotgun, I got now the chokes properly set up. So I have a modified choke at the bottom barrel and an improved modified at the top. I checked it and everything works great. So ready to hunt, and I still shoot steel number 3, so happy that I got that figured out, and I can go with confidence into the forest. So the plan is as followed. A few kilometers from the cabin there is this high ridge line, and I am going to hike all the way to the north side of that ridge. The wind is blowing from the south, so I will walk around the ridge, stalk it from the north side on the other side of the ridge, which is usually out of the wind. And the hares, they like to bed there between 10 and 20 meters from the top. So I will be on 30 meters from the top. And then there's this game trail that goes all along over the ridge, or actually 30 meters below the ridge. And then I will stalk that and see if I can find some hare. I've heard some stories from locals that there might be some kind of disease, because there are a lot less hares in the area than last year. Which I can confirm, because last year when I was building, I saw a lot of hares in daylight, and I haven't seen any hare in daylight so far. Let's go. I will have some tea and wait till it gets a little bit lighter, and then I will start hiking, and yeah, see you in the forest. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but there's the ridge line, and wind is blowing south from east to west. From this point of view, I'm walking there in the middle, and then I'm going to the left on the other side of the ridge line, see if there are some hares. Another 50 meters and then I turn left into the forest. I now walk parallel to the ridgeline about 30 meters below the top. The amount of hare tracks is insane. You would say that they are out here. Look what we found here. A spinal cord. My guess would be roe deer. I decided to walk back over the ridge line in case I missed some hares. Here it is, my first fresh hare track. But this one was too clever for me, because I just came out of the forest and I didn't see anything. Good to know that I'm not the only one dragging my feet right now. This is my last chance on finding a hare. Here you can see hare tracks, but it's from before the last snowfall, so that's at least 3 days ago. Here we are, back at the warm cabin. Alright, welcome back at the cabin. A bit disappointing that I didn't see any fresh hare tracks, but I will just try to locate where they are and then show up before dawn and wake them up when they return from their feeding place. And I think that's the best bet. I think it's important to show that not every day is a success, and I'm in the process too. So yeah, for me it is not as easy as going to the supermarket and I have to work for my food. Now I'm getting closer each day. That's how I view it. So I'm getting closer each day, and as long as I change something every day, then eventually the results will come. Experience in the past have taught me that. So I know that's what I need to focus on. Other than that, I will just keep on trying different things. So I will also go ice fishing and wild boar hunting, and that makes it fun. And I think it's important to keep going when you do this every day. So I will keep you updated, and yeah, remember, stay wild.